Hi everyone, it's Nalanie and welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about my favorite press-on nails. Quick little backstory, I don't do my nails often. I'm not good at polishing my nails. I mean, I'm probably one of the worst people to polish nails. So typically I just keep my nails really short and I put clear, if that, and yeah. But I do like my nails looking done here and there. I'm just not one of those people who could justify spending 30, 60, however many dollars it is to get your nails done, just because we do a lot with our cars and it's just gonna get ruined, and it just doesn't make any sense for me to spend that kind of money for my nails, especially if they're just gonna get ruined. So I decided to try press-ons and I love them. I don't do it all the time, but today I did them and I figure I'd share with you and show you guys what I really like. So this is not going to be a press-on nails tutorial. If you guys wanted to see that, I can definitely film that for you. So just let me know below in the comments if that's something you're interested in. So the brand that I like is from Amazon, and this is what it looks like. The brand is called MakArt. It's M-A-K-A-R-T-T. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I will link it down below for you guys. So this is the little kit that I got. It comes with 500 nails, 10 sizes, so you can find your perfect size for your nails. And this one comes with 4 little glues and a little nail filer for you. Right here, I put my nail sizes and just kept all of those in there just to make it a lot easier for me not to, it just saves me some time. I love these. What I do, because like I said, I am the worst at polishing my nails, I will take a Q-tip and I will take tape and have the sticky side up and put the nails on there, and I will pre-polish it just because I'm the worst. And then that way it saves me time. So when I'm ready to put them on, I just pop them on. I just cut it with one of these little nail trimmers, cutters things. It's perfect for, press-ons, acrylics, anything like that. It's perfect for, and I just file it and I am good to go. Soaking these off, easy peasy. Literally 10 minutes will soak off all of my nails. What I'll do is I'll take the polish off, I'll soak it in for a couple of minutes, and then I have these little nail tools. These are what you push your cuticles back, and I got this whole little set with a couple of others from eBay years ago, and it just works perfectly fine. So once my nail's in there, a couple of minutes, I will take it and I will just kind of fidget it around a little bit in there. Is that the right word? I will kind of just like jiggle. That's a worse word? You know what I mean? I'm just gonna kind of, put it back in, and then a couple of minutes later, all of it just kind of pops off, and you just take a soft little buffing nail filer just to get rid of any glue, and it doesn't damage your nails. It's super, super easy. With this brand, they have so many different styles, and they also have the clear ones. These are clear press-ons, and they also have the natural ones, which is kind of like a creamy, milky-ish color. And those are nice too, but I like the clear. I don't know, I just think they look nicer, and you can pretty much put whatever color, or if you want a really nice sheer color, that milky color isn't altering the polish. So yeah, and I have tried other press-on nails and I'm just not a fan of those, not because it's not good quality, but they just don't fit my nails right. When you look for press-on nails, you have to find something that fits your nails perfectly. If they don't fit perfectly, they're going to come off. These last me at least 10 days. I don't keep them on any longer than 10 days because I just like to let my nails breathe, and let's be real. Having nails on kind of stops you and holds you back from doing a lot of things. You feel like it takes twice as long to do certain things, but they just look nice. And that's really all I want them for, to be honest. So if you are in the market for press-on nails and you are looking for something really, really affordable and something, really affordable, I highly, highly recommend checking out this brand, and you can figure out what style and what size, what length you like. So these are the long ones, and this is what they look like. I did cut them down a little bit, but they're just the perfect fit for my nails. I'll show you what they look like. Hopefully you can see it because like I said, they're clear. And just cut them down however you want. If you don't want them super long, they do have the shorter size as well. So this is what they look like. Hopefully you guys can see it, and because you know it's clear. I'm trying to see if, yeah, this is what it looks like. And this is what it looks like in, wait, that's not even the right nail. Okay, just for comparison, this is how much I've cut off. So right here, all of this I cut off. So if you want to keep them really, really long, you can do so. So I hope this video helps you guys if you are in the market for press-on nails and you just wanted to know, you know, if you're just looking up reviews, trying to figure out which ones are great for you. This, I think, cost me about $10 without shipping. So you have to incorporate that, and it comes with the case and everything. If you don't want the case and you don't want the glues and you don't want the nail filer, I think they're about $7 or $8. So I just figured that the glue and the nail filer, all of that was a really good deal. And you also get a case so you can keep everything really organized. So I'm going to end this video here. Like I said, if you guys want me to do a demo, or not a demo, application, I'll show you how I pre-polish my nails and how I do all of that, just in case you're wondering and you're not good at polishing your nails like I am. I can show you how I do that as well, and then do all the steps. So let me know in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.